Yes, team, good morning. I don't know whether you get this video in the morning, but the truth is, we want to. I've gone through all your comments, the explanations, and everything, but my plan is to make you succeed in goat farming. I'm making you succeed in goat farming because I've also succeeded. But this is what I want you to understand is that if you follow my videos, because many of you have been asking um, for the written books, those kind of stuff. But I will not write a book as per now because there is a lot of books on the market, that is explaining goat farming and everything like that kind. But I think they have changed many, but not very many. I think when I put up these videos, they will definitely sink into your mind and they will ask for the immediate effect or reaction. So that means if you listen to the video and you see what I do, it is very easy for you to understand it. You get it? So now what I'm going to do, I've already done videos that is explaining all the steps of goat farming. But I would like to again restart. I'm going to take you through another whole process of how do you start goat farming, which system do you choose to do when you're doing goat farming, why do you choose that, till when you reach at the end of the session of animal farming. And of course, in that case, don't forget, I'll again explain to you um, how do you make money out of those animals? Where do you sell those animals? What are all the challenges of goat farming? So you people keep posted. The moment you see this video, just know that I'm going to begin and I'll be putting steps by steps, a video by video. So what you have to know, you'll just need to go on my YouTube channel, subscribe, such that whichever I put in there, as in the steps as we are going to follow them, you will be able to understand them. You get it? You'll be able to get a notification and follow up. So basically, that is it. And I'm going to start doing it as soon as possible. Um, Make sure that you follow it up if you have an idea of starting goat farming. So I'm going to start doing that and I'll be notifying you that this script is coming. But this is just a notification to let you know that we are going to start doing it. And I'm going to start doing it very soon. What I want you all people to follow it very well so that I don't leave anybody behind. So subscribe and wait for the updates. So I'll be posting this before the video comes in. I'll be giving a video explaining what I'm going to explain. Then I give you the content one by one. And I think that will definitely help you. Let me wish you the best. Bye-bye.